I'm sure you got here because you finally want to see a working and proven method to make money from home. Keep on watching this video to find out all the useful tips and tricks.
Tips for enjoying success in affiliate marketing. Your search for information having to do with affiliate marketing has proved to be unfruitful up to this point. You have heard of it and heard that it is possible to profit from it. However, you really do not have a firm grasp on what it is or how to use it. This video will explain. Pay for a professional logo. It's worth the investment to look put together and professional. If your web page and logo look like you did it yourself on a Saturday night after dinner, your customers will notice, and they may not want to put their faith or money in the hands of someone who doesn't look like they know what they are doing. First impressions count. Affiliates creating websites are going to need to link their sites directly to the main company's site, so this means you will need to know a little bit about site building and link building. Take your time to create an attractive, functioning site, and make sure that your links work well and lead straight to the pages your customers need to see. In writing reviews for affiliate marketing, make your reviews visually appealing. That is, make sure your blog or site has a pleasing design, and use photos, graphics and/or videos to keep your reviews entertaining and break up text. Part of earning people's trust and esteem is giving them a pleasant experience, and the visual aspect of your reviews is an important contributor to that. People are visual creatures, so don't make it a strain or a pain to read your reviews, and people will be more willing to keep reading. In conclusion, you now should know a lot more about affiliate marketing than before. Ideally, this should be the main source that you can use to get started and build your affiliate marketing plan around. Go ahead and give the tips that were provided a try and you should be pleased. Don't forget to like and share our video and subscribe to our channel.
Thanks for watching. Click the link below for more info.